Welcome to Urban Shaman Breathing Exercise. Let's begin.
Sit or stand comfortably. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take one slow, deep breath in and out. Now, imagine you're looking at yourself from just above, like watching gently from the ceiling. See your whole body, the space you're in without judgment. Notice, I am here. Now, bring awareness from head to toe. With each spot, breathe in gently and release with the out breath. Notice sensations, warmth, tension, ease. Pause at each part. Your head, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your belly, your legs, your feet. Now, place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Inhale slowly through the nose. Feel both hands rise. Exhale through the mouth. Feel your body soften. Repeat 3 times. Feel your weight on the ground or chair. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes gently. Whisper inwardly, I am present. I am worthy. I love you. Thank you. Have a great day.